How we doing, my guy? Drip man. Nice.
Come on.
How's that fashion, YouTube? Please rate this fashion.
Please don't do this.
Really, man. Fire burning. Wow. Damn, bro. And you call yourself Drip. Damn.
Brewery cannot drip too much.
Anyway, guys, I just came out here to check on the brewery, and yeah, we just got out, I think 2,300 liters last week. So yeah, we've got plenty of beers to sell, and yeah, he's doing a round of cleanup, and then we're gonna be brewing another 2,300 liters. So yeah. Come on, Malay daw. At DJI Funan, 1 Google review for 1 free drone. Right?
Because it's a solid Google review.
Solid Google review.
I'm a solid person, so it's a solid Google review.
Free drone, guys. Take your pick. You've used the dog shampoo. That was just a recovery session, rehab session for me, because I dislocated my shoulder 2 weeks ago. Yeah, still in pain, but yeah, I can move a little right now. So yeah, trying to do some water therapy and get back on running as well, because yeah, I haven't run for so long.
Yeah, you can come and check anytime, but just let me know in advance.
finally a great start to 2026. Secure a big deal, and yeah, done some big meetings, and hopefully things kick off from here. I can't wait, man. Good day. I just have to share with you guys. Wow. Hopefully, yeah, like I said, you know, it kicks off from here, and yeah, hit my goals for 2026, because 2026 is gonna be a huge year for me. Yeah. Whew. So basically, we just made a breakthrough for our logistic business. Mainly because, you know, our partner sucks, our previous partner, which it wasn't even like a partnership at all. It was more of their benefits. They were not really, like, you know, we were not really working together. It was just like they will help me out, they will help us out if they want to, and they will prioritize their own, you know, customers. When we send our stuff, you know, it gets neglected, and yeah, basically wasted like 4 to 5 months. But yeah, I think this is part of the business. You know, we learn from this, and finally we are doing it on our own. We'll see how the first shipment of, you know, the air cargo goes on Monday. So yeah, gonna be a busy day tomorrow as well. I got a early meeting for the brewery, and then have to rush to the office to pack up things with someone else, because yeah, I can't do it myself. And yeah, I need to teach someone to do it as well, because I don't want to be doing that, you know, at all. But yeah, I think today was really good. We had a really good meeting with, you know, air cargo, someone who does the air cargo agent, something like an agent, yeah, air cargo agent. And then yeah, it was incredible. Hopefully, you know, we can get this over and done with, because yeah, like I said, we've wasted 5 months, and yeah, time to, you know, get back on track. I really, you know, this is my, you know, kind of like a personality, I guess. I wanna, you know, crash everyone that, you know, that doesn't help us, or, you know, who told us that, you know, they will help us and start a partnership, work together, blah blah blah. But in the end, nothing really happened. It just wasted our time. So yeah, I really want to make this work, and then, you know, yeah, basically capitalize in the market as well. So there's that. I'm really excited for that. Let's go. Chạy rồi mẹ, à chạy nè rồi, mình cũng mới lên này cho nó. Chạy nè à, phụ bị à mà. Man, I'm on fire, man, on 2026. Yeah, I have been working for the past, like, you know, past few days. Actually, it's 13th of Jan, and I think ever since like 4th Jan, I've been working like 18 hours a day, and it has been incredible. I haven't seen any big result yet for the year 2026, but I mean, it's only the start of the year. But wow, the finally getting the momentum yeah, the businesses that I have, put in the time and effort in the past, the last year, is finally showing some results. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. And yeah, tonight I'm actually, not tonight, this early morning, like 4 a.m., I'm actually going to Phuket. But yeah, I'll still be working for sure. Yeah, just needed a change of scenery, and yeah, different air, I guess. I'm gonna be in Phuket for 10 days. Yeah, and I'll be working from there as usual. So yeah, the cargo shipments are finally going well. Yeah, things are kicking off. The brewery businesses, they're doing really well. And yeah, there's a few more exciting projects that I didn't do properly back 2-3 months ago. And yeah, when I have the time, I'm gonna look back on them and then yeah, keep going. So yeah, it's been incredible, guys. So I think I mentioned it in the previous vlogs that we are doing it the legitimate way, and yeah, people are doing it the wrong way, but for more profit. But yeah, we've been stuck with that for the past 4 months, and we're finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, because yeah, the government is actually doing something special in Yangon, Myanmar, I think. And I don't know about whether the government or the airline, because they are having lesser kg weight that they can bring it back. So those people that are manually carrying it, they have lesser things to carry, meaning they have lesser business. And a lot of people are actually coming to us, coming to have inquiry to do business with us. And now how this is how I would say it, because at first when we started off, we have to look for individual customers, so we were going B2C, and it takes a lot of our effort, a lot of our time. But now that there's a lot of hiccups here and there for those people who are carrying, we do get a lot of B2B business inquiry. And now we have totally stopped accepting all the B2C cargos as well. So yeah, mainly we're focusing on B2B, and there's a lot of things. I actually wanted to do this vlog when I was in the office just now. My office doesn't look like an office, it looks like a warehouse, because we just have too many things that we need to send. And yeah, like I said, it has been incredible for the past few weeks. And yeah, I mean, we've laid down the system, we've done the good management, the good manpower, training stuff and all that. So yeah, it's only gonna increase from here. I wanna do 3-4 times than this, and then that will be it. And then yeah, it can go on autopilot, and then we can think of something bigger, or how we can increase the capacity of everything. But yeah, for now, our goal is to go from 1 to 2, 3 to 4, until yeah, with that space, with that manpower is maxed out. And then we'll see how we can expand everything, the team, the operation, yeah, the cargos, everything. So yeah, it's there for the taking. So let's get things going, I guess.